Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about SI scholarship for global professionals. This scholarship is available in Swedish Institute and we'll discuss more about that. What is the eligibility criteria, when you can apply for that scholarship, how much is the coverage of the scholarship. So let's start. Do you want to contribute to sustainable development of your home country or region? Are you looking for international experience? Swedish Institute award academic scholarships for master's studies for global professionals from 41 countries. Read through, call for application carefully and prepare your application today. Okay, and now this scholarship is only available for master's degree. You can see here. Okay, and you can also take a look at available 41 countries. Click here and you will see which countries are eligible to apply for that scholarship. We'll take a look later. Okay, they say that application closed now and they will online application portal for SA scholarship for global professionals is open on 12th February. Okay, so today is 13 January. After 1 month, nearly after 1 month, they will open the scholarship and you can apply for that. Now we'll discuss overview, what's included, criteria, how to apply, and frequently asked question. The overview of the application is essay scholarship for global professionals in academic scholarship for provided for full-time 1 or 2 years master studies in Sweden. Okay, and the scholarship open for applications once every year for master studies beginning in the autumn semester. In order to apply, you must be a citizen of one of the 41 countries that they have mentioned above. Apply for master's program that is eligible for essay scholarship. Be able to pay tuition fee at university admission. Have demonstrated work experience. Have demonstrated leadership experience. Key dates: 16 October, 15 January. Apply to Swedish master's program through university admission. Essay scholarship application documents are published. Application portal for essay application is open. University admission announcement date and essay scholarship announcement date. So these are the key dates. You need to take care of these dates to apply for the scholarship. Our call for application is published now. We advised you to read through the instructions and criteria carefully. And application will open in 20th to 48 February 2024. So deadline will be 28 Feb. What's included? So full tuition fee coverage, you don't need to pay the tuition fee. Okay, they'll also provide monthly payment of 12,000 SEK to cover your living expenses, insurance, travel, membership. After your scholarship period or has ended, you become member of SA Alumni Network. So they are providing good coverage of scholarship. The scholarship does not provide additional grant for family members, cover the application fee to admission, university admission, allow. So they're saying that when you will be applying, there will be an application fee as well. So scholarship will not cover that application fee. Allow changes to study program, allow extension or changes to awarded scholarship period. Criteria, you can take a look. Country of citizen. Oh, so these are the countries. Okay, they have mentioned: Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Egypt, Pakistan, Philippines. So these are the scholarships which are available. Sri Lanka, Sweden, Uganda, Ukraine, and you must be citizen of one of these countries. So if you have two countries, the citizenship of dual countries, and the both countries are here, then you need to select one country. For example, if you have the citizenship of Pakistan and Bangladesh, so you need to select one, Pakistan or Bangladesh. Eligible program, you can take a look here, list of eligible programs to apply for the scholarship. University admission, you can further take a look here. you're not eligible for. So if you are like having these one of these points, then you will be not eligible. Currently enrolled in hold a Swedish university, you are studying in any Swedish university, as already resident in Sweden for 2 years, previously awarded a Swedish Institute Scholarship, dual citizen in country not listed on the. So yeah, this is the how to apply procedure. You can take a look here. Also you can take a look after master program and apply for global professional scholarship, assess screening and evolution. You can take a look here. Okay, you still have time. They will open the scholarship in 12th Feb. And if you will have any question related to anything which you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.